All right, good morning. We're gonna learn use a group template to add new features. So it's kind of hard to understand what group template is, but basically, uh, so if I just try to uh, create something like this, and you can see if I drag and drop, like click yes, you're gonna generate a bunch of stuff. So that's called group template. Like you can see the cap, the transition chamber, that's like individual feature template. And a group template, the functionality is like, once you create something, you can just create simultaneously. I mean, it's like group up template. And the process of, building such group temp, I mean, I already finished building that, but originally it was just this one. And what you want to do is to click manage templates and select new template. And so because I just created this new crop stuff, so I will just open it up. Just just assume that I'm just creating a new group template. I will just open up and just create a name and a description. The tool, make sure the line tools are right here because we're creating a new line, and the builder is very important. That's a place where you have to add something that you want some feature template adding to your group templates. That's a place you want adding to. And so if I expand this part, you want inspection chamber because your group template is based on the feature templates that you already built. So you have to have built this one first. And you can choose then in a second layer, in a different layer, and you can create, you can just select, the correspond feature templates that you just created. And the offset to set up a line. So for example, if you want that thing every time you draw the line, if you want have appear to be on the left, and you say okay 5 meters. So that's how you create this kind of template. And once you create and just select, and now you can just start a build as I just showed you initially, and just by drawing a line. Okay, yeah, this one. So by drawing a line, and you can just automatically add something else. So that's the whole concept. So the purpose of having group template to ensure the features are created at a fixed distance or pattern relative to other features. So that means you can preserve the spatial relationship of the feature. That's one of the advantage or main purpose of having the group template. And here's the second part. I just finished, and just quickly speed up and tell you what to do. Like, so that's a topology. Map topology is the second master of the maintaining spatial data integrity. And I mean, I don't want to talk too much about concept. I can just show you what's that mean. And first of all, so open it up, map topology. So like every time you want to add something, for example, add a polygon, and if you open it up, no topology and topology is like no topology. If you want to move this edge of the polygon, it only move one part. But if you open the topology, like once you want to move this part, like for example, I can show you. What you want to do is click modify, move, and click edges. And if you select this one, and you see the red dot, and you can once you drop, like everything right to this edge, this polyline is being relocated and modified correspond to the one you just selected. And by doing so, we have established the map topology, which it can help us to maintain the spatial data integrity. So that's the whole concept. All right, the third part of the maintain this that's what we call geodatabase topology for spatial integrity. So basically, what that means is so every feature class, so you still remember this is based on feature class dataset. So feature class dataset as a container to store geographically related the data with the same coordinate system. That means these two are very similar feature class and sharing the same coordinate system. And that's a place where we can build our topology. So like click new and topology. So you just build a topology. And once topology opens and click rules, and that's a place you can edit like what topology you want within this two feature class within the feature data set. And so you can select the one that you want to do first. So like, okay, so footprints. The footprints is like a smaller parcel beneath the parcels of North Vancouver. And so the rule must be like the smaller parcel must be covered by the feature class 2, the parcels of North Vancouver, and you select yes. And so if I close the topology, and so you like, okay, so that's a parcel, that's a footprint. Of course, you want a parcel cover footprint. That's the reason why building this topology is to validate. So if there's any violation or errors inside, so like the next step of having the topology is error inspector, and click to validate, and it will tell you which error isn't following the rule, and it will just have some kind of errors showing up. So that's a third part of the that's called geodatabase topology.